Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain different types of means using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. My add-in is available on my GitHub account. You see the link over here. Once you downloaded the file, you can open Excel, click on File, Options, Add-ins and click on the Go button. Then browse to the downloaded file and that should give you access to all the additional functions I made. Now, the function of interest in this particular video is the means function, means. It takes as input the data, which should be a vertical range and specified. So not an entire column like A, like this, but really say from A2 till and then whatever the last one is. If the data is non-numeric, you can add the levels you've used in order, and then it will simply use the index of that as the numbers. You can choose which mean you want to calculate by entering one of these as text. And you can set the trim proportion, which is for the Winsorized and the trimmed a must. Although there is a default setting, I think at 20% or 10%. The trim, if it's a fraction, what do you want it to do? Round it down, use proportional or use a linear interpolation. And that's it. So, for example, here I'm showcasing all of them. I simply selected the data. I added the dollar signs so that if I copy paste it down, it wouldn't change. I'm using a semicolon as a parameter separator. In your version of Excel that might have to be a comma. And I don't have levels, so I left that empty, so another semicolon, and then the method, in this case arithmetic, which would have been the default anyway. Now, of course I could have just used average in this case, and I think also Excel has functions for the geometric and the harmonic, but the Olympic mean, which is the difference, it excludes the maximum and the minimum. The mid-range, which is the average of the maximum and the minimum. The decile range, which is the average of the 9 deciles. The trimmed proportion, and then the trimmed mean and the Winsorized mean. So that's it. That's how you can calculate all these different means using my stikpetE add-in. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.